Hi guys, today I want to talk about our motto, Born Free to CNC. This motto indicates that anybody can learn CNC, but it goes a little deeper than that. I'm really trying to say that anybody can learn a trade. We have an amazing country. We have had so much sacrifice and so many great, brave leaders over the years that we have learned so much, and we are now in a position where whatever you want to do, if you have enough will and determination, if there is a will, there's a way to do anything. So I started this channel because I wanted to help others that are interested in getting into being a small business owner or just getting into the manufacturing industry. I think it's such a beautiful thing to have a trade and feel accomplished at the end of the day. You're physically using your hands or mentally using your brain to better our country and to better the world. And it's something to be proud of. I mean, you're at work most of your hours. Don't think of it as a bad thing, but you're at work most of your life. So you gotta really love what you're doing to make your life good. To love your life, you want to love what you're doing. Sometimes it's gonna be bumpy. Sometimes life's gonna be hard, but you just gotta push through it. And I really want to show that manufacturing is not like what it used to be. I mean, not that it was bad. I think we had so much innovation 40, 50 years ago. But now it's a lot cleaner. It's a lot more consistent. You have CNC, computer numerical controlled machines that you have a green button. You just keep hitting it and your parts just keep coming out. The same as they were before. And I just think that it's such a good trade to be in, and I was kind of diverging from it, even though my family has been in it for almost 100 years now. 2024 will be 100 years. But I was kind of like all the other fish in the sea. I was in college. I had my mechanical engineering degree. I graduated and I was working at a company. And fortunately, I had kind of a lifeline thrown to me. A hand reached out of the sky, and I was looking through one of the machine tool magazines, and I saw an ad for Herco. They were giving away a free machine to someone that had the best business plan. It was a contest. So I entered that right away, and it kind of really motivated me to say, wait a minute, maybe manufacturing still is an option. Maybe, I don't have to sit at this cubicle. And luckily, I was one of 7 finalists, and that brought me out to the IMTS, where I had to do basically like a kind of a Shark Tank kind of thing. And it really opened my eyes to the industry. I had never been to a machine tool show. As a kid, I went to like a smaller regional show, but IMTS, I mean, there's 100,000 people. It's going on actually right now. I got to get over there. This is now 4 years later. This was IMTS 2014, now we're 2018. And it's right this week in September. Anyways, at this challenge, I did not win. I came home, I was pretty sad, but what I took away from that challenge, I would never trade for anything. I wouldn't even trade for the machine that they were offering, because that challenge motivated me to start a business. And 2 years later, at IMTS 2016, I bought my first Herco. And now it's 2 years later again, and I want to start this channel, and now I really want to give back. That challenge at IMTS 2014, which they called the Chipmaker Challenge, taught me my first business lesson, was that nothing comes easy. And actually, the really more important lesson than that is that when you do succeed, since it wasn't easy, you have that whole struggle behind you, and that whole feeling is a lot more fulfilling than just the instant gratification of getting something right away. So that was an amazing lesson. Alright, well, that's enough for today. I gotta start getting ready for the show. I'm heading out to IMTS to Chicago tomorrow, September 11th. So if anyone wants to see me at the show and talk about manufacturing or 5-axis machining or any new 3D printing or anything in technology, I'm always interested. I'll probably be at the Herco booth or wandering around, so just hit me a message or reply in the comments. And thank you so much, everyone. The comments have been awesome. And all right, take care.